So if I'm having stimulants, I want to make sure that I have a plan for recovery in my diet. I want to make sure I have magnesium-rich food. I don't know if I really like the term balanced anymore. I think like natural and some of the other ones, it's just really gotten, overused, over-marketed. And the reality is, when we think about the body and we think about health, health is dynamic, it's not static. And we don't really ever get to achieve balance. So in your diet, you really don't ever get to achieve balance. In my head, if I was asked to think about, and I am being asked to think about what does balanced means, it means always making sure that you're catching up with yourself. So for example, if I want to have chocolate or coffee, then I need to know that those are stimulants. So if I'm having stimulants, I want to make sure that I have a plan for recovery in my diet. I want to make sure I have magnesium-rich foods. Or if I'm consuming, say I want to have a small latte, then maybe I want to make sure I have it with almonds or something else. So if I'm getting the stimulant and also the carbohydrate, the quick energy from maybe milk or soy milk, then I'm getting the protein and the healthy fats from the nuts, so that I don't go up and down like this. I go up and I kind of go like this. So balance, to me, to give you a visual, is rolling hills. You're always going to have some highs and lows, but let's try to keep it from being like, a high mountain down to a fjord in that way.